Bored Ape NFTs dropped below $100,000 for first time in almost a year. What is in store for this popular NFT project? Stay until the end to find out. The popular Ethereum NFT collection has reached a low entry price not seen since last August as the crypto market suffers. For the first time since August 2021, the entry-level price for a Bored Ape Yacht Club NFT has dropped below $100,000. It's dropped 78% since the beginning of April, when Bored Apes was about $429,000. Celebrities have been picking up Bored Ape illustrations alongside seven-figure transactions at the Bored Ape Yacht Club, which has been a prominent indicator of soaring valuations in the NFT market. However, the Ethereum profile photo collection now demonstrates just how low NFT demand has dropped in the context of a broader crypto market crisis. Hit subscribe now if you hold any NFTs and tell us in the comments which is your favorite. According to NFT Price Floor, the floor price for a Bored Ape Yacht Club NFT, that is, the cheapest available item listed on a secondary marketplace, is currently $96,469, or 80 ETH. According to the website's data, the price dropped to $91,741 overnight. In less than 2 months, the price of an entry-level Bored Ape NFT has plummeted approximately 78% in terms of dollars. On April 29, the day before Bored Ape creator Yuga Labs started their NFT virtual land sale for Otherside, a future game, the floor price hit a new high of over $429,000, 152 ETH. Holders of Bored Apes were eligible for free plots as NFTs. Since then, the amount of ETH collected has decreased by 47%. That's a big figure in and of itself, but it also shows how the price of Ethereum has affected the value of NFT collections. Since August 2021, when the collection soared alongside the wider NFT market, the Bored Ape Yacht Club hasn't seen a sub-$100,000 floor price. Over the last month, every big NFT collection has lost a significant amount of value. Bored Apes have lost 54% of their value in the previous 30 days when assessed in USD, while CryptoPunks have lost 48% and the newer Moonbirds have lost 62%. An NFT is a document that acts as proof of ownership for digital products such as profile images, artwork, sports and entertainment memorabilia, and video game items. According to DApp Radar statistics, the NFT market showed rising demand in 2021, reaching $25 billion in trade volume. This demand has persisted into 2022, with approximately $16 billion in organic trading in the first 4 months. OpenSea, the main NFT platform, had its best single day of trade on May 1, with $476 million. However, the fading crypto market appears to have had a big influence on the NFT area, with daily trade volume plummeting in early May as crypto values plummeted. NFT trade actually increased on Monday, as purchasers sought bargains amid depressed prices, while prominent coins like Bitcoin and Ethereum hit lows not seen since 2020. The Bored Ape Yacht Club is one of the most well-known and successful NFT collections. According to CryptoSlam, the first set of 10,000 profile photographs with randomly generated attributes has generated more than $2.2 billion in trading volume, with additional collections and related ventures adding to that total. Celebrities such as Snoop Dogg, Jimmy Fallon, and Madonna have endorsed the concept, which prompted Yuga Labs to raise $450 million in March at a $4 billion value. Even the apes, however, are not immune to market problems, as evidenced by the recent sharp decline in price points and decreased trading volume. The initial Bored Ape NFT collection, according to CryptoSlam, generated approximately $96 million in revenue over the last 30 days, which is down over 70% from the previous 30 days.